Adding a location to your event is simple. Just search for the place. And if you're traveling there, remember to include travel time. Apple Calendar can even calculate travel time automatically if you've given the app the permission to access your location. When it's time to go, you can tap the location link to open directions straight to your meeting in Maps. Many of us attend online meetings, and Apple Calendar makes those easy to manage too. You can paste in your Zoom or Google Meet link directly into the event. And it works just as well with FaceTime. You'll be able to join with a single click right from the calendar. And if you make a mistake, say add a FaceTime link, you can quickly switch back and paste the correct online meeting link. It's flexible and designed to keep your schedule running smoothly.